Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. Today's video, we're going to be learning a footwork, leg work, thread combination. This legwork tutorial in particular is a snippet from a larger catalogue of videos that I've already posted to my Patreon page. I highly recommend it. I think it's really good. I'm super proud of it. If you would like to learn a little bit faster and have a little bit more access to more information, you can do so by clicking the link in the description or in the white card somewhere above here. 2022, if I haven't said so already, Happy New Year, guys. Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. AJ47. Every opportunity I'm going to get, I want to promote Primal Instincts, which is my new crew. Check them out. They're dope. Like, I couldn't be happier with the recruits that we've got for this new crew, and I would expect big things from them. And of course, if you'd like to follow my original crew, Soul Mavericks, without them I wouldn't be here teaching you guys. To start this combination, learn to jump from hook to this position here, grabbing the foot. This can be used as a drill on its own. Lock it on both sides. From the hook, return to a wider than normal position 0. As you step wider, change hands to the other side so you can bring your left leg on top before pivoting and twisting down, sending the right leg into a tail whip, bringing the right knee to touch the floor, allowing the calf and the roof of the right foot to swing all the way through to the front before scissoring the legs to start the knee thread. Looking at this sequence again, let's notice how I shift my weight by changing my hands, instantly grabbing my right knee with my left hand to continue the flow as I do the knee thread. Let's look at that again. With the music. So for the knee threads, they always return to the hook, as you can see here. Now let's slow it down and I'll explain how to do it. The flow of this thread is backwards, so it's best explained like pedaling backwards upon a bike. Two key things to performing the reverse knee thread a little easier: lifting the heel of your palm, this will give you more room, and keeping the knees relatively close together. The leg that goes through the loop is the leg that then hooks before concluding or starting the pattern again. Now allow me to guide you through the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Start off by hooking on the 8, jumping forward for the 1, hitting the accent. Jump back for 2, overextended 0 position, leg on top 3, down for 4. Pivot for 5, scissor the legs on the 6, hitting the snare, thread through, hook on 8 before repeating again. The expanded version of this tutorial will be linked in the description below. It's on my Patreon page under the footwork and legwork tier. Thanks again for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new, like the video if you like it, share it with a friend who you think it might benefit. Nice one, guys. Peace.